Welcome to the Blue Moon Hotel. We are a 5-year art preservation and design project. The building was renovated by a trained artist over a 5-year period using a combination of instinct and inspiration.
Hi, I'm Randy Settembrino. I'm the artist that created the Blue Moon Hotel. The building is 1879. It was a 5-story tenement and now has a second life as a stately 8-story hotel. Absolutely every detail you see in this hotel is authentic, and we're reintegrated with contemporary materials. These are my paintings. This is the Genesis series, which is our first project, the Blue Moon Hotel. We have our mural, The Weave of Time, and we have materials that were found in the hotel. Our rooms are amazingly oversized. We could have done 70 rooms. We only have 22 rooms. 2/3 of our rooms have terraces, and the most phenomenal views of Manhattan can be found on our 7th and 8th floor. We were nominated by National Geographic as one of 150 hotels in the Western Hemisphere to check into, and we were chosen as one of the 100 best hotels in New York.
The Blue Moon Hotel is located at 100 Orchard Street between Broome and Delancey Streets on the historic Lower East Side of Manhattan.
If you love art, history, and design, then the Blue Moon is the ideal hotel for you.